guys, today I've got Motorola Razr 7E and I'm going to show you how to use frame match for the group photo. So, at first you need to open camera app, then you need to go to this section of frame match. Here now you need to you need to take a photo to have the overlay. Now, a semi-transparent outline or a guide from the original photo appears on the screen. You need to move the phone and have everyone adjust their positions until the line view lines up with the guide. When the framing matches, you need to tap the shutter button to take a new photo. As you can see here, once the photo is taken, like the first one, you can, not this thing, this mode. Once the photo is taken, you can manage the overlay right here. So, tips for the best results. Stand in the same location where the original photo was taken. Use landmarks or background objects to help align the scene. Place the phone on a tripod or use FlexView for more consistent framing. Make sure the area is well lit so everyone is clearly visible, and ask everyone to stand in similar positions for the closest match. That's it, goodbye!